Shri Bhaidas Darshi Bhai Bhuta High School welcomes you in our computer class. Today's topic is computers, storage and memory device. In this topic we will include types of computer memory, types of storage devices. So we will start with data information relationship. Unorganized figures, facts and words are called data. Data processed according to the commands that is given by user. Processed data is called information. So first data will process according to the instruction, and after processing your data will convert into the information. This is data information relationship. Computer data. Computer stores information in the form of 0 and 1, that is called binary digits. Binary digits also called bits. Bits are the smallest unit of the computer memory. Computer language represent data in bits is called binary language. Computer data is measured in bytes. It is denoted by B. 1 byte is a group of 8 bits. There are two types of computer memory, internal and external. Internal memory is also called main or primary memory. It is the fastest memory type, but its storage capacity is limited. Internal memory is of two types. Random access memory, RAM. It stores data temporarily. It is a volatile memory, means whenever computer will switch off, your data will delete from RAM. Second is read-only memory, ROM. ROM stores information required to start a computer. It stores data information permanently. External computer memory. It stores large amount of data permanently unless erased. It is slower than internal memory. There are some examples of external storage devices. Those are hard disk, external hard disk, compact disk, digital versatile disk, Blu-ray disk, flash drive and computer memory card. We use these all external storage devices according to our need and its storage capacity. In this topic we have learned about two types of computer memory, internal and external. In internal computer memory, ROM and RAM are there, and external storage devices include hard disk, external hard disk, compact disk, digital versatile disk, Blu-ray disk, flash drive and memory card.